All right, so the knot of the day today is going to be a load equalizing hitch. So we're going to start off with taking a measurement of our rope. So I come across and I say, this is about where I want my load equalizing hitch to end. Make sure I have enough to finish up my knot, enough tail on that, so that gives me my measurement as how I'm going to start. Here, I'm going to do a figure 8 on a bite. And I will clarify, this is a poor man's load equalizing hitch. Once you do your figure 8 on a bite, the leg that is running, you want to pull that out. If you know how to do an inline 8, then you can do an inline 8 here, and it makes it a lot faster and a lot easier. So you pull that end out. Now I take my rope, I go around anchor 1, I go through my bite on my 8. Around anchor 2. So I end up with this. And then come in close and you want to do a figure 8 follow through. So you follow the bite where these two ropes are at. Pull your slack through, follow the bite. And then you will come back out where you started with your other rope. So now, if you tie your anchor in here, you're able to move between the two anchors. No hardware. This is not suggested if you have a system that moves a lot, because you don't want the rope rubbing on rope. If it's on a smooth surface like this, it's not going to hurt it if you have to float between two anchors. You preferably will have pulleys or carabiners in here, but in a pinch, if you had to do this on the side of a mountain and you had, very little gear available to you, this is how you would do it. So if you watch, there's equal tension on all 4 ropes. So if I move close to this anchor, all 4 ropes have the same tension. If I move back to this side, all 4 ropes have the same tension. So both anchors are sharing the load. So what we're going to do now is show an inline 8. This is just a figure 8 on a bite with the running end removed. Okay, you bring it back through for a follow through. In order to do a directional 8, okay, or an inline 8, take your rope and you're going to make a Z. So 2 bites, one here and one on the top. I flip the top one and I put this rope where my anchor is going to be, that's running down the hill. That rope is inside this other bite. Now I can take and make a figure 8. Directional to where my bite comes out and I still have my working end. So I can use one rope bag. I use one rope bag to create my anchor. This is where I would tie off my anchor plate. And if you needed to, you tie this up really close to your original knot so you're not wasting all this rope. And the rest of this can be used for your Z-drag or your rescue, whatever you're doing, okay? So this is a directional 8.